Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi 9A, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. And to get started, we'll need to open up Settings. From here, navigate to About Phone, where you should see your storage. As you can see, this animated thing right here. Tap on it, it will take you to storage, and below that you should see your SD card. As you can see, one of the options is Format SD card. So tap on it, it will give you a message that performing this will remove all the data from the card. And if there is anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it or you don't want to, tap on Format SD card. The process will begin. It's a fairly quick one. Once it's finished, the card is immediately ready to be used once more, as it should be right about now. There we go. Click on Done and you're finished. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.